Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company. Today I want to talk to you about arugula. It's one of the most popular crops, the seeds that we sell. People love it, and for good reason. It's really prolific, and here in Southern California, it will grow almost year-round. It will very easily reseed and pop up again. But what are some of the tips that we can give you on how you can be even more successful with a pretty easy crop? Well, one of the ways that you can get the most out of your arugula crop is the way in which you harvest it. I actually want to show you this row, and you can see over here, we don't have any of the arugula going to seed. And then on this side, we have a lot of the arugula is starting to flower and go to seed. And why is that? Well, it depends on the way that you harvest it. On this side of our crop row, we actually just went through and picked off the leaves like this, which is great for somebody who's not using much of the leaf and only wants a little bit at a time. But what happens is you're not cutting this central stalk, and so they end up going to flower a little bit sooner than the rest. On this side, we did what's called the cut and come again method, where we just basically took our clippers and we went through and we just gave the arugula a nice haircut. And what's wonderful about this is if you sow the seed really thickly, which is what we did here, then you get lots of little baby arugula leaves, which tend to have a little bit more of a subtle flavor, which is what we enjoy here on the farm. And so you can go through and chop this all, leave a couple of inches, and it will continue to regrow. When you do that, you're cutting this central stalk here, what would be in the middle. And so you're slowing down that process to go to seed, which is great, because if you have a really small garden and you want to eat arugula for, months on end, then you want to try to prevent that from happening. Once it does go to flower, it doesn't mean you have to rip it out right away. If you have the space and you're willing to leave it, arugula, pollinators love arugula. It's great to bring beneficial insects into your garden. It makes for actually a great filler in vases when you're doing cut flowers. So there's a lot of benefits to that. And then it will reseed, and then guess what? The next year you will probably have arugula popping up in your garden. So there's many ways that you can harvest your arugula, but this is the method that we recommend to get the most out of your small space.